ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಉಗ್ಗಿ ಆ ಬಾಬ್ರಿ ಮನೆ ಧ್ವಂಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಂಶವನ್ನು ಧ್ವಂಸ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರ ಇಡೀ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
KPCC Working President and Karnataka Legislative Council member Manjunatha Bhandary has said that the Karnataka Government has taken serious note of the hateful, derogatory and provocative remarks made by Udupi MLA Yashpal Suvarna against the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. He stated that the government is examining all aspects of the matter and will initiate strict legal action in accordance with the law. He claimed that the NEET question paper leak took place under the BJP-led Central Government headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, triggering nationwide outrage and jeopardizing the academic future of lakhs of students. He further asserted that the psychological trauma caused by the controversy reportedly led to the deaths of 21 students. According to him, the Indian National Congress and Rahul Gandhi staged a protest outside the Prime Minister's residence in support of students protesting against the NEET controversy and to condemn the police lathi charge on student demonstrators. He further stated that during a public program organized by the Udupi district BJP MLA Yashpal Suvarna claimed that Rahul Gandhi remains under the influence of drugs for 24 hours and declared, "We will destroy Rahul Gandhi's family lineage." He described the remarks as baseless, defamatory, hateful and highly condemnable, adding that video evidence of the speech is available. He urged the investigating agencies to examine the matter seriously and initiate legal proceedings in accordance with the law. He also criticized the silence of other BJP MLAs from Udupi district who were present at the program, saying their failure to criticize the remarks could be interpreted as indirect support. He added that as elected representatives, they have a moral responsibility to clarify their stand. Bhandary further contended that targeting those who protested against the NEET controversy through personal abuse, hate speech and intimidation reflects what he described as the BJP's anti-student and anti-democratic mindset. While acknowledging that political differences are a legitimate part of democracy, he said responding to differing opinions with defamation, hate speech and threats to life can never be justified. He also maintained that public representatives who have taken an oath to uphold the Constitution should refrain from using such language as it undermines the dignity of the office they hold. He asserted that such hateful and provocative statements pose a serious threat to peace and communal harmony in Karnataka's coastal region and to law and order across the state. He asserted that he would urgently meet the state home minister and request that appropriate directions be issued to the concerned police authorities to initiate legal proceedings. Expressing confidence in the legal process, he said that based on the constitutional principle that everyone is equal before the law, fair and strict action would be taken against those found guilty without yielding to any pressure and strictly in accordance with the law. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.